Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Michelle. This is Glamour Has No Age. We're doing a little something different because I had a bad reaction to a product I use, so I don't want to be on camera. So we're gonna review the Allure Beauty Box. This is from August. Comes with a pamphlet. Comes with a pamphlet. Let's open it up. Inside is this Pixie Rose Blend oil. I don't like rose, so I will not be using this. I will be passing this along. Here's the Botanical Primer, skin balancing, reduces environmental stress. It's paraben free. So I'm going to hold on to that and try that. Then there is this product right here, which is a highlighter. Let's open that up. I believe this is the only makeup item in the box. And get your swatch. It looks like this. Not bad. It's perfect for a mature person. I'll put that in my highlighter. Next thing I have here is the famous black soap. It says, not your average cleansing bar. Our iconic cleansing bar boasts the uniquely therapeutic benefits of Dead Sea mud. Okay. A miracle of nature loaded with 26 minerals to deeply cleanse, exfoliate, and balance skin. Perfect for blemished, oily, or stressed out complexions. Says that it leaves the skin soft, smooth, and radiant. All right. I'd be interested to try that. Next is the H2O Hydration Sensitive Gel Moisture Cream. Says it helps to calm the appearance of redness and loosen skin moisture to increase hydration for dewy, healthy looking skin. All right, I'll give that a go. Swolweso. It's an activating serum. Says the serum improves major signs of aging while boosting your routine. All right, I'll try that. And then the last thing included is a mask. Hello Mama Coma. It's Korean. It says it'll even out the skin texture with toner. All right. So that's it for my Allure Beauty Box. This month was $15.90. Well, August was $15.95. I know there's going to be an increase soon. I mean, the products are just okay, to be honest with you. I don't know if I'm going to really want to pay $23.95 for the box. I'll do it a couple of months and I'll see how it is. But other than that, I don't know. Well, thank you for watching. If you like videos like this, I mean, with me in front of the camera, I can't do it right now, but with me in front of the camera making them, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.